Can you also quickly
Yeah.
say something about the lighting setup that you
Sure.
were using in this one? Because
Yeah.
my experience is that
Let me
creating
break it
the hair
down.
shaders and also it's very connected to the lighting setup to make it look
Yeah.
good. So that might be
You're
helpful.
so right. You're very right. Without lighting, hair is just not going to look good, because it's how the light is reflected and absorbed and the translucency, and that's everything about the hair. So let me break this down. I have first a key light. Okay, so we can see that that's coming from the right side, and then on the back it's quite dark, and we have this shadow back here, and then so let me show you the fill light. This is a dome light, okay, and in it I actually have an HDR loaded, so we are actually getting some color coming into the hair from that. And then I have a backlight to really really make the back of the hair really pop. So with all of them together, this is what how it looks.